Hello guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Proton VPN for free on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. To install Proton VPN for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, I want you to go to the official website of Proton VPN, as that's where you can download the app. So to download Proton VPN on this website, just click this button right here. And after clicking it, you will then be directed to the downloading page of Proton VPN. So here at the downloading page, you will be able to see different plans you can choose from. All of these are for Proton VPN Premium. You can choose one if you like, but if you want to download the VPN for free, this is what you should select. And after that, you will need to create your Proton VPN account first before you can proceed. But if you already have an account, you can just click this sign in option. But in my case, I will create an account just for demonstration. And so to create your Proton VPN account, it's so simple. And after that, Proton VPN will give you a generated password you can use for your account. If you want to use the password, just click this button. But if you want to set the password yourself, then just go and click this, and then just enter the password that you like. And after that, a download button for the VPN will now appear. So just go and click it, and then click Download for Windows. After that, you will just need to select the version depending on your device. In my case, I am using a Windows 11 desktop, so this is what I will select. And after that, your Proton VPN installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to select the language you prefer for the VPN. In my case, I'm fine with English, so I will just click the OK button to proceed. And then finally, you can now click the install button. And after that, your Proton VPN will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish, and once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your Proton VPN. Just log into your account, and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching.